What's up, guys? It's your boy Max, and today I'm doing a product review on these fridge organizer bins that I ordered from Amazon. Amazon made me buy it. It's a set of 7, and as you saw in my last video, if you saw the previous video, I did a review on the Amazon glass water bottles. You can look at the last video for that. So, like I said, it comes in a set. I will post a picture of the price right up there because I cannot remember. Set of 7. So let's open these and wash these out. So like I said, there's 7 containers. And these are used to organize your fridge for your, to put your fruits and vegetables in. If you want to have that aesthetic of keeping everything in order and, you know, in the clear bins where you can see it well. All this plastic. There's 2 small, well actually there's 4. You have these 4, what other dimensions? You have these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 16 ounce. You can put beans, nuts, you know, berries, grapes, or whatever it needs. And then you have 2 of these. And this says like 51 ounce. So you have these 2. And then you have the one big one that you can put like carrots and things in or whatever. I'm probably going to order another set of this too, so I can have 2 big ones and then 2 more of these. So that is the set of 7. We are going to wash these out. Spray these down with some Dawn. Like so, like that. Okay. So this is the corporate fridge that we are going to organize with our containers. They also make egg containers. I gotta order one for my eggs. But let's get this looking better. I'm going to add my spinach. Oops. In the big one. And like I told y'all, I definitely have to order another set of this so I can have 2 big ones, because I'll buy like spinach and salad, spring mix. So I need more than one of these. But for right now, we're just showing what I'm using the product for. All right, I have my tomatoes. That's a bigger one. Will all these fit? Okay, my tomatoes. And this one, as you already seen, I have my spinach in that one. I have some avocados I bought. So I'm gonna put them in this other container. These are my avocados. And make me a tomato and avocado salad a little later. We're just putting our leftover strawberries in this little container. We use these for a smoothie or just a snack. Expensive strawberries, hell. All right. That's what you can use the small containers for. So these are all the containers I used. Strawberry and lemon, some leftover grapes I had, the avocados, tomatoes, and my spinach. Like I said, I need another big one of these for my salad. And as you can see, they stack. They stack on each other. So it's just a nice method to have in your fridge. You have organized your fridge. Give it a nice, cute, aesthetic look. This is the fridge review. That's from the previous video, YouTube video. This is the things. I'm going to get me one of these for the eggs. They have an egg carrier. See, it just makes your fridge look a whole lot better. And these are the 7-piece organizational containers from Amazon. I'm looking for the box. That's the glass. Here it is. The 7-piece fridge organizer bins. Thank you for watching this video. Brought to you by your boy Max. These was my Amazon finds. Amazon literally has, you know, everything on there. I do really like these. You know, everybody is into the look now, aesthetic look. It feels real sturdy. I like that they're anti-slip. They're stackable. I kind of just wish more came in a set, at least like the 2 big ones. So I'm gonna have to order another set so I can put, you know, have room for other things like my salad, or if I have more vegetables or fruit. But I would say it's a good buy. I'm satisfied with it. If you like it, buy you one. I need to get me a Amazon storefront, a link. So you got to do all that because I always be recommending stuff for people to buy. I need one of those. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a like and a thumbs up, a comment, hit that bell to be notified for future videos by your boy Mex, and this is Mex TV. And that is it for today. I am out.